All right, let's get back to First Alert weather now and a live look from CBS Skywatch. Wow, look at that. That is spectacular. We're tracking a warming trend as well as we head into the weekend. Albert, you sprinkle a few weekends like this along the winter, and you're going to have so many friends, you're not going to know what to do with them all.
Yeah, still 40s, right? A couple of 50s on Sunday, but we're in the middle of winter after all. A little on the windy side. That's what's going to come in with this milder air mass moving in, and there's some colder air as we head towards the middle part of next week. But what a great shot from Skywatch a second ago. Here's the view from the Hancock looking down towards the south. View scattered clouds right now as we sit at 32 degrees here in Chicago. That's actually our high temperature so far today. A little bit of mild air moving on in. Thanks to these southwesterly winds that have been breezy, will only turn stronger as we roll through the weekend. So at or below freezing everywhere, even some upper 20s right now. LaPorte and South Bend, it's 33 in Joliet, 29 both DeKalb and Morris, and right at 32 degrees here in Chicago. And the reason for the southwest winds, high pressure down to the south of us, clockwise flow around that high, allowing for these winds to come in out of the south and southwest. They're going to be more out of the due south by late tomorrow, and that's going to give us a little conveyor belt of some milder air. So yeah, it's still long sleeve weather, but it's a lot better than the 20s we had earlier this week, with 43 on Saturday and 49 on Sunday. Building winds, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then Sunday night, after 10 o'clock in the evening, some showers are going to roll through. And it looks like some of this rain may even linger into the first few hours of your Monday. Monday is a mild day, at least the first half. We have a front coming in Monday midday, early afternoon. And look what happens behind the front. Back down to 36 Tuesday, back in the upper 20s for highs on Wednesday. So tonight, a few passing clouds. Temperatures going to be in the 20s this evening. They'll be in the 20s in the overnight. And tomorrow morning to start your Saturday, low to mid 20s. A couple of scattered clouds passing on by throughout the day. But at least we're back in the 40s for tomorrow. A lot of wind, though, in the forecast. It starts off breezy tomorrow morning. And notice by sunset and beyond, we really start to see these winds come on in on Saturday. That's 5 o'clock. So we're talking 25, 30, 35 mile per hour winds tomorrow evening. Winds still breezy on Sunday and more out of the due south. So notice the warming trend as we head towards your Sunday, from 43 Saturday to 49 on Sunday. Who's going to be in the 50s? Well, Joliet will be at 53, 54 in Kankakee, 53 Sunday afternoon, and Rensselaer also about 53 in Morris. And then some rain builds in after dark on Sunday. This is low pressure coming in out of Texas. That's a look at the best chances of rain around Indianapolis on Sunday night. We think we'll get at least a few showers to work on in after 10 o'clock here on Sunday, and some lingering opportunities of showers into Monday morning. There's that cold air, though. That's why we're going to cool down with even a light wintry mix possible by Tuesday. So 54 on Monday. That's the warmest temperature we have over the next 7 days, because then we're down to 36 on Tuesday. Tuesday night, 22. Staying in the 20s with a few flurries possible and windy conditions on Wednesday. And then a slow build late next week, Joe, with 33 on Thursday, about 44 and breezy conditions next Friday.
Thanks, Albert.
Okay.